Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making burritos using the Voila Bird's Eye Voila Fajita chicken dinner mix, skillet meals, and so let's get this going. And first off, we're going to need the burrito tortillas, this pack of 8, and of course the Bird's Eye Voila skillet meals, fajita chicken, and family size. Then we're going to add a can of black beans. We're going to drain these, and a can of corn, and we'll drain that as well. And we will have 2 cups of cheese package and some sour cream for this. So let's get these cooked up, put together, and see how it all goes. So let's get going. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our tortillas. So we're going to get the heat going, and then we'll just take these and just flip them around and get them warmed up. And this makes the tortillas, not only does it cook them, it makes it a little bit more pliable, so when you're putting everything together later on, it'll be easier to fold and wrap up. We're going to do this before the pan gets dirty. Alright, well, let me finish this up and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, what we're going to need for this next step is we're going to start cooking the food. We're going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil. That looks like about it right there. I'm going to get this spread around a little bit. There we go. Now, we're going to pour that in there, get it spread out. Now that's going to start cooking, and then we're going to spread out the black beans on there. Alright, then we're going to put the corn in there. Now, these come with little sauce packets. We're going to take them out of the pouch here and put them in here. Alright, so here we go. Get that in there. Now, first, we're going to get this stirred up just a little bit. Get it good mixed in. Make sure the corn and the beans are mixed in. Okay. Let me run over here. I gotta get the cover. And I'll let the cover over the other side. Alright, folks. So, we're gonna got this going. I'm gonna get the sauce down in there to let it melt a little bit. And then we're going to put this on here for about 14 to 17 minutes. Let it cook, stir it occasionally, and then we'll start with getting the burritos together, and then we have a good meal after that. So I'll see you guys in about 14-17 minutes. I'm just going to stir this occasionally, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, we're going to start assembling the burritos here. I'm going to turn this off just for a little bit. And what you're going to do is I got a serving spoon. It's a regular serving spoon that you use, and we're going to put 2 serving spoons of the fajita mix in here. Alright, then we're gonna put a little bit of the cheese on here, how much ever cheese you want to put on there. If you like a lot of cheese, put them on there. I'm gonna try to put a little extra, put a little bit even on all of them. Then we're gonna put in the sour cream here. Alright, then we go to wrap, which you fold your sides over. Then you take the one side, flip it over, tuck it in, and give it a roll. And we'll set these off to the side as we wait. And we're got one more step after this. So again, I'll show you this again. Take the 2 scoops of the fajita, chicken fajita skillet meal, and a little bit of cheese, and we'll put on our sour cream here. Try to get it. Okay, fold your sides. Take this other side, fold it over, roll and tuck it a little bit, and just finish rolling it over and set that off to the side. Alright, I'm going to finish rolling these burritos, and then we'll do the last little bit here. So see you here shortly. Okay guys, we are done putting the burritos together. So the last thing we're going to do is cleaned out the frying pan here, and turn the heat back up. We're just gonna place these burritos back in here on the grill and heat them up a little bit. It'll just take a minute or two on each side. Alright, and as you see, we had a little bit left over. Just put that in the little storage thing you have for later, or you can even use it for a little bit of a side for the dinner. So we're gonna let these cook up for a little bit, and I know I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I've been having a lot of other things outside of YouTube, taking my time and doing some adjustments in my life. So hopefully I'll be getting back into doing the videos regularly. Not sure when I'll be able to do that, but I got a couple of video ideas come in my mind that I'm going to try working, and part of the reason I have been trying to make videos, but I'd get some of the stuff done for prep work, and then I'd be just too exhausted from all the other stuff I've been doing to actually do the filming part. And once I get the filming part done, I'm usually pretty good at getting the editing and stuff done, though the editing is probably the hardest part. So we'll get these flipped over. Yay, yay, yay. Be careful because these are hot. Alright, we're just going to let these sit for a little bit, and we're going to take them out. I didn't do too good of a job at rolling these burritos, but they did good enough for me. Alright, so we'll just let it sit on that side for a little bit. I guess it'll do. Alright, now there we go. So let's go ahead and try to take these out. Set these over here. Alright, so there we go. So we'll go ahead and turn this off. Pull that out. Alright guys, so let me set this over here, and we'll go ahead and take this one here. So there we go, and let's go ahead and do a little taste test on this here. And alright, so here we go. Nice burrito. So here we go. Let's give it a try. This is good, guys. All the different flavors. The chicken voila, or Fajita skillet mix meal from Voila has the rice, chicken, and peppers and onions. I think it has onions in it too. And about the perfect size. There's just a little bit left over. I'm using the two things, and these make great burritos. Just add a little corn, black beans. You can even cut up a tomato and put a tomato in there or some other stuff. Add it in there. You got yourself a good burrito. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take time to give me a thumbs up so I know you liked the video. And leave a comment about when you try this, tell me how you like it. And alright guys, well, I will see you on the next video. And you guys enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you later. I'm going to finish this up and take care of the other stuff I got going on.